tuingas. The tuinga is so significant to the Samoa because it symbolizes the different parts that are put together painstakingly and worn on your head, and that's so special. Talofa lava, my name is Tupai Matuna Foto Samoa Jody Jackson, and I make tuinga, and I've always been fascinated with it, and it's been my love. The hair has been brought from different people of your family. Someone has done the job of putting it in seawater or in lime, dried it to bleach the color. The shells, the trochus shells that were used and very special in the old tuingas came from Tonga. So what came together is actually from the Pacific. Everything about a tuinga is so beautiful, and you know that the wearer wears it with pride, but also with a lot of responsibility because it's not easy to wear one, and that's why it's so significant. And it heightens the importance of an event. You don't just wear one for fun. You're wearing it to perform, to do the Siva Samoa, to lead a ta'alolo, to palu the ava, to take the taulanga in church, in the Catholic Church. So it's really significant. It's a responsibility, and it's something to be proud of.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.